Want to create professional e-commerce product videos without a camera or studio? Here's how to do it in Adobe Firefly. Go to firefly.adobe.com. Open the video section and click Generate Video to start creating your AI video. First, choose the AI model you'd like to use. Different models may produce slightly different results, so feel free to experiment and see which one fits your project best. Next, select the resolution for your video. Now choose the aspect ratio that matches the platform where your video will be published. After that, set the duration of your video. If you'd like your video to include AI-generated sound effects, simply turn on the audio option. Firefly can automatically create sounds that match the action happening in your scene. Want to control the beginning or the ending of your video? Open the frame section and upload your first or last frame. If you already have product photos, open Images and upload one or more reference images. Now write your prompt. Include details about your product, camera movement, lighting, background, and the overall style you want to achieve. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Firefly create your video. Don't stop at just one version. Try different prompts to build a full set of product videos. Create a cinematic close-up, a rotating 360-degree product shot, or a clean lifestyle scene for social media and your online store. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created professional AI-powered product videos in Adobe Firefly.